Alright, so, here's something I've been thinking about. During a recession, rideshare demand usually drops. Pretty hard. I mean, people just don't have the extra cash to be Ubering everywhere, right? And it's not just about money. There's less stuff to Uber to. Fewer expensive dinners, fewer concerts, fewer treat-yourself nights out. Like, you're not paying $40 to Uber to a steakhouse when you're at home eating frozen pizza in your pajamas. I've lived that life. It's humbling. But here's the thing. Americans still love their vacations. That doesn't change. We just adjust. Instead of flying across the country and then paying $80 for a rideshare to the hotel, a lot of folks are just renting a car and hitting the road. You know, good old-fashioned road trips. Piling in with your family, your friends, your dog, a trunk full of snacks, and arguing about directions before you even hit the highway. That's peak America right there. And honestly, it makes a ton of sense. Flights are expensive, baggage fees are out of control. Rideshares at the airport are a joke. Sometimes it's just smarter, and way cheaper. To rent a car, blast some tunes, and go wherever you want. That's where honestly rental cars start making a lot of sense. You just book one online, easy, you're in control, you can go wherever you want, whenever you want. And especially now, people are getting smarter about it. Like, rent a car for the day, knock out your Walmart run, go visit friends out of town, grab groceries, all in one trip. Way more efficient than booking 3 or 4 separate Ubers and waiting around. Heck, you might even split it with your neighbor. Rent one car, load it up with everyone's groceries. You want to do it all at once and not be waiting around hoping a rideshare shows up, or paying like $50 for a 5-minute trip. And, with how expensive cars are now, and repairs and insurance, sheesh. It's not like everyone's just gonna go out and buy a new car either. So renting for a day or a weekend kinda makes a lot of sense, especially if you can book it online, no drama. So yeah, just something to think about if we do slip into stagflation. Rideshare might get crushed a lot harder than rental cars. Alright, that's my little rant. It was fun chatting, but I gotta get back on the road. Somebody's out there right now wondering where their Uber is. Wow, she's really pretty. I'd love to get to know her. But, company policy says I gotta stick to 5 stars and small talk about the weather. Tough life.